Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing a Batman 5-pack. Up first, Harley Quinn. There she is. Is he a tramp card right now? He's looking for the Joker right now. And he's gonna get Batman for the hero. Hello, Harley Quinn. Are you a tramp right now? You have a heart and a diamond and plants and a leaf. Where are you going? To get Batman? You have to go Joker with that together. Here comes the Joker. Where did Harley Quinn go? I'm looking for him. Joker. Ha ha. You cannot get Batman. We're going the Joker. Bang with the J. Here's the Batman. The night version. Are you going in night? You have to defeat the Joker and Harley Quinn. Batman. Batman. Robin. Robin. Where are you? Robin. Robin. There's Joker and Harley Quinn close to us. Don't worry, Batman. We got our bat plane or bat helicopter for rescue. Are you flying right now? Because I can see the bat plane right now. I mean helicopter. How many times I'm gonna make a mistake? So say bye-bye. And here comes the police to get the Joker and Harley Quinn. Police. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtime.